Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by signing into your Xbox and confirming a network connection. This ensures theme assets sync. Press the Xbox button, then go to Profile and System and open Settings. Once there, select General so you can access personalization. Make sure your controller is responsive because you'll be navigating menus. This step sets the environment. Without it, you can't change appearance options. If your console is offline, colors may not save to the cloud, so verify connectivity before moving on. Once in personalization, choose My Color and Theme to reveal accent options. This directly controls the home button ring and UI highlights. Select accent color for presets or pick custom color to fine-tune hue and brightness. Use the palette to get the exact shade you want. You can preview the change in the sample UI before committing. Make sure to press Apply so the console writes the new color into your profile. Without Apply, the change won't persist when you back out or reboot. To finish, confirm Apply and check the home button color across menus. If it doesn't update, restart the console to force a refresh. If restarting fails, power cycle by holding the console power for 10 seconds, unplugging for 20 seconds, then restarting. This clears transient cache. Make sure your profile is online so settings sync. If problems persist, install any pending system updates because firmware can affect LED behavior. If none of this works, sign out and back in to reload your profile settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.